Hi there! Welcome to our tutorial on how to write a motivation letter for university. A motivation letter, also known as a statement of purpose or cover letter, is a written document that highlights your personal, professional and educational backgrounds and experiences. It is often required when applying for undergraduate and graduate programs at university. Here at SolidEssay, we recommend 5 things to include in your motivation letter. 1. Introduction. Start by introducing yourself and explaining why you're interested in a particular program or university that you're applying to. 2. Background. Provide some background information about your education and any relevant experiences or accomplishments. This could include academic achievements, internships, volunteer work, or any other activities you've done that demonstrate your commitment to your field of study. 3. Goals. Clearly state your goals and objectives for why you're pursuing this degree program. Explain how it aligns with your long-term career aspirations and how it will help you realize these goals. 4. Skills and qualities. Highlight your skills and qualities that make you a really strong candidate for this program. This can include your leadership skills, communication skills, problem-solving skills, or anything else you bring to the table that will make you great for this program. 5. Closing. Conclude your letter by expressing your enthusiasm for this program and your readiness to embark on this educational journey. Thank the admissions committee for their time in considering your application and state your availability for interview if applicable. Remember, you need to proofread your letter for grammar and spelling errors and keep it concise and to the point. A well-written letter can make a big difference in your application and increase your chances of getting on your dream program. Feel free to contact solidessay.com if you need help writing an outstanding motivation letter.